had 5,000 wins 3 weeks in a row down here. The new Timberline Speedway over, I believe, in Crosby, Texas. Timberline's got a big 5,000 win. And then Chatham, they got that big 1,500 win starting off the year on March 30th for the new Outlaw Factory Stock Points Chase, which about 30 or 40 of our guys have elected to compete in. And we'll tell you a little bit more about that later on. Ronnie Wood and the 43 JFPJ Cook at the point. Caution flight coming out on the speedway. Looks like, not sure the actual piece, but we definitely have some debris over in the middle of 3 and 4.